Hello everyone, I am Sharda Mandav. I am a working professional in an IT SaaS firm. I have a total 13 years of experience. I am proficient in Excel, VBA, SQL, Python, and robotic process automation. I have also some knowledge of Tableau, SAS, and R. I love to share my knowledge and experience with the students. This is my passion. Students can learn and use it to grow in their professional career. As a responsible citizen, we want to contribute in making India's future bright. So, to this goal, I am going to open a YouTube channel today. My channel's name is MIS Family. In MIS Family, through MIS Family, I'll share my knowledge with all of you. So you can view my channel, you can view the lessons and learn. Please use this platform to grow in your professional career. So I'm going to start with Excel today. So I am sharing the topics that I'll cover, or I'll make videos for that topics to help you. So I'm going to share my topics with you. Let me share my screen with you. So this is the topic that I have jotted down here, so you can see what topics are beneficial for you. You will get the deep knowledge of each and every topics. So I am going through each and every topic. It is an introduction video, so I'll not make it long. I'll try to keep it short, but let me go through the topics. So first, I'll start with introduction of Excel, introduction of objects like cell, range, etc. Differences between the different versions, sortings. Sorting is the first topic that will help in your professional career, because learning the sorting, you will use it in your day-to-day job and make your future bright. Filtering, paste special, let me enlarge it, paste special, hyperlinks, cell format with custom format, conditional formatting, name define, including evaluate and get.cell function, logical function, if, count, count if, sum if, average if, count ifs, sum ifs, average ifs, subtotal, error function, sum product, text function, date, time, date and time, calendar, useful symbols that is required for the dashboard. So like if you create dashboards, you need certain symbols to make your dashboard beautiful. Indirect function, validation, text to column, protection, different types of protection you will learn here. Lookup, VLOOKUP, catch lookup, index, pivot like you can't imagine. The kind of pivot I will teach you, it's totally amazing. Pivot with multiple ranges, offset function is very important. Chart, static and dynamic both. Dashboards, connectivity, groupings, web connection, and I'll give you some ebooks. I'll share the ebooks in the description. uh, live query. You can whenever I'll come on live, I'll happy to resolve your query. I'll also share different kinds of test papers with you in description of the link. So if you can prepare all the test papers, I guarantee you will cover any test paper, any test in any companies. Okay, so this is all the topics that I'll cover. I'll make videos for this. After the Excel, I'll create videos for VBA. Then I'll also create for SQL, Python, all the knowledge that I have. I'll create videos for each and every topics and every subject. Okay. I'll put my video in Hindi and English, both languages. So any language that you are comfortable of, you can learn. The main goal is learning. Okay. So I will be really happy if you learn and get a good job in different companies. Thank you so much. Let's subscribe and view my channel. Thank you so much.